Hello and welcome to my channel. It's Miranda at Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan, and I'm here with my Recollections Plan with me for the week of October 1st through October 7th. So I am going to just play on the purple that's on the page. So let me show you what I have lined up for us. I found these cute little bow dividers at the planner shop on Etsy. It's a printable. I printed it and cut it with my Cricut, as well as these beautiful different color hues of purple stickers that I found on also on Etsy, Bling Bling Planner, and I believe this is called Purple Clocks, is what, or Lavender Clocks is what they're calling it. All right, so we're gonna jump right in, and I hope you guys had the opportunity to watch my October monthly setup in my Recollections Planner. If you haven't, make sure you pop over and take a look at it. I am using this various washi tape, and they're all various hues of purple. So we're just going to just put some things down, and we're going to just, you know, let this flow organically. Let's see what it does. Let's see how it turns out. All right, let me move that down just a little bit. All right, I think that the first thing that I want to do is maybe, and I'm going to grab my mini happy planner because I have all my plans in it for the week so I don't miss anything. All right, let's see, October. All right, so we had a couple of things to do on Monday, and today is Tuesday that I'm planning this, so I'm late planning anyway. And so I think when you use different colors of one color, it's that monochromatic look. So we're definitely going for that in our plans this week. So this, I think, is so cute. So we're gonna put this one closer to here. I am going to put some washi tape down, and I'm gonna actually turn this the other way. Turn it here. You guys know I want to layer so bad, but it's all right. It's all right, it's okay. All right, so Wednesday we do have an event. Wednesday evening, and we also have a checklist. So I'm going to start putting the darker colors down here. Okay. And let me make sure I grab, you know what? I want to remove this. I want to put, there's a smaller one that I think will work better. I think it will work better. Okay. Yep, this is perfect. All right, so we got this. And let's see what headers we can put on things here. Let's say today. We will just put that here. Today. And I have, you know, in this notes column, I should have started over here. Definitely want to cover up this notes, and I'm going to do it with one of these beautiful decor stickers. I think I'll do the actual purple clock, and then I'm going to put a habit tracker there this week. So let's see. Let's cover that up. Let's put our little habit tracker in here as well. Okay. Yes, habit tracker. Okay. Sunday, I'm going to actually layer these boxes to signify what we need to get done. And then I am going to use this it's only 3 things that I do on Sunday. All right. Cute. Okay. And I'm going to grab my handy dandy tweezers. Okay. Let's jump right back in. So I think that for Wednesday, for chores, I'm going to use the little icons, which include cleaning, and laundry. Okay. I am going to grab this coffee. Okay. Alrighty. So we are going to, for Thursday, we are going to use the little things headers, which I don't know what little things really mean, because I think all things that you got to do on your to-do list are equally important, but we're going to put that little things right there. Okay. I want to, for Sunday, I want to, well, we can put this for Saturday. Okay. Now nails. We're gonna try to do that for Friday. We are going to hair, we're definitely going to try to do hair on Thursday. And is there a, yes, a lavender. Lovely. And we are going to use this purple right here to signify my last day of work. That's crooked. Okay. And I'm going to say that we need to level it out with a beautiful, 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 beautiful checkbox like this one. Okay. I am feeling this spread. It is giving me life, life, life. Oh, I think what I can do with this one is take this one off, and there's actually a meal prepping one that I can use for meal prepping. Okay. Now we will try to figure out what kind of washi tape we want to put. I really like this I don't know if I want to do that one or the glitter. I think I'm gonna go with the scallop look. I think that will be cute. So we'll just grab the scallops and we will take it all the way to the top here. I don't know what this little piece looks like. The tape is tearing there, but I think if we lay it down, it'll be fine. Maybe I should have went with dark with the rose gold. I think this is pretty, and I think it'll work. So let's see how that how this rose gold plays out. I think it'll be nice. I can see where it starts here. Okay. And we're going to, oh, that's pretty. Okay. I like it. Both of them. All right, so let's put some decor on here, and I mean, I really don't think that we have to do too much. Maybe I will put one here. I don't like how this looks. We're going to use that same one that we used on the other side with the the highlights of the rose gold. I really like how that looks. And I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna move this up top, because I find that the top is so bare. Okay. That's crooked. Let's move that. And then let's try to, I'm gonna turn this around. Upside down, of course. Let's see if I can get this laid correctly. All right. And maybe I should pull this up and put the washi tape on top of it. I think I will. Yeah. Okay. Now let's go ahead and put this this washi tape down on the other side. Okay. Okay. Oh yeah. All right. That is gorgeous. And we're just putting these there just in case there comes other things that we need to write down. Okay, so that is our completed spread. This is more of a decorate with me because I didn't want to put my plans down multiple times, but I am going to indicate my plans. I'm going to use this purple, since this is a purple theme, Ink Joy gel, and I'll put my plans down. If you want to see how it turns out, if you would tune in or check Instagram and make sure you're following me there. I'm Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan there. Otherwise, guys, remember, I need you to do 3 things for me. If you liked the video, give me that thumbs up to tell me that you liked it. Number 2, I need you to comment below what was your favorite part of the spread. Thirdly, if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure that you click the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime that I update new content. And if you're already one of my current subscribers, thank you so much for the support. I totally appreciate it. Well, you guys have a great and productive week. Ciao, Bella.